afternoon, everyone. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're at Area 15 in Las Vegas, and this is the entryway. Kind of looks like the entryway from Oakley Sunglasses in California. And now we're going to step into Area 15. And we're going to give you a grand tour. Kind of cool, huh? It's definitely a worth see. It's free entrance. Some of the different places that you go inside do charge for money. Different restaurants have different fees, and a lot of them have, what's the word I'm trying to think of? Concerts and stuff. So stick with me. This takes the concept of interior malls to a whole nother level. We're gonna shoot a bunch of short videos so you get an idea quickly. Outstanding outfits you can think of. Everything you may want. Beautiful store. What a concept. Here's our friendly guide.
Hi, how are you doing?
Into the whole vibe.
Exactly, that's the key word, the whole vibe.
What a fun place, thank you. We'll give you a quick walkthrough. We're going to be back in a second. Going to send it back to you in the studio. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. How cool is that? How cool is that? That's sweet. And that was Kappa Toys. Back to you in the studio. JT Ippolito, you're on your way.